There's a couple of ways to turn off notifications on your iPhone. The quick, easy, and temporary way to turn them off is to swipe down from the top right corner to open up the control center and then turning on the Do Not Disturb mode. This is what Apple calls a focus mode, and there's a lot of them. They're also fully customizable, and you can make your own custom focus modes as well. When customizing a focus mode, you can choose which apps are allowed to send notifications and the people you'll see notifications from when they text and call you. You can customize your lock screen to only show specific apps, which can help eliminate distractions. And you can schedule the focus mode to automatically turn on at specific times or when you arrive at specific locations. Focus modes are great, but they're only meant for temporarily silencing your notifications. If you want to permanently turn off notifications for a specific app, you'll do it from your settings. Go to Settings and Notifications. Here you can change your system-wide notification settings, as well as control your notifications for each app on your phone. My company uses Slack for messaging, and when I go on vacation, I never want to see my screen full of notifications regarding work conversations. So I'll go here, find Slack, and simply adjust settings to my liking. You could just turn off sounds and badges, which is that red unread message counter in your app icons, but I usually prefer to disable all notifications when I'm out of the office. Toggle off and I won't see any notifications from Slack. When I'm back at work, I'll toggle it back on. And that's how you disable notifications. Find an app and turn off the notifications you don't want to see. Leave a comment if you have any questions and take a look at my iOS playlist for more easy guides like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.